جی السلام علیکم، میں ہوں تصوف میر اور آپ دیکھ رہے ہیں سنو ڈیجٹل. اس وقت میں موجود ہوں ایک فارنر لیڈی کے ساتھ جو کہ کہاں سے آئی ہیں اور ان کو کشمیر کیسا لگا، ان سے ہی بات کریں گے. ہیلو، ہاؤ آر یو؟
I am very well. It's a beautiful day. I have seen some magnificent scenery. I have good friends. I've had chai. All good.
Yeah, you're enjoying Kashmir. So what is your name?
My name is Claire Rogers and I come from the UK. I live in a city called Brighton. But I've had a love affair with Pakistan since 2008. And 2008 I first came here and I was kind of the guest of Mr. Awan, who was then the chief engineer. Yeah. And he brought me up here and we had tea and I was blown away. But I have not been able to come back until this year. So this year I come back, we have more tea, but it's so much more developed. And we've seen the paragliding facilities and and I think what Kashmir is waiting for is a few more tourists, yes?
So, had you tried paragliding or not?
Yes, many years ago when I was young and strong. And I think we do 8,000 meters from here. 500 meters for me when I tried, but I wasn't very good.
So what do you think about Kashmiri people? Do you like Kashmiri food?
Oh.
Had you tried Kashmiri food?
Oh, yes, because my hostess is a wonderful cook.
Yes.
And she, every day is something different, something delicious. So Kashmiri food I like very much. Kashmiri people, very friendly, very nice, very hospitable.
What do you think about the food? Which item do you like the most? Do you know the name of Kashmiri food items or not?
Yeah, try me some.
Mushtaba you had yesterday.
What do we have? Mushtaba?
Kushtaba,
Yeah, that was very good. Chicken dishes, goat dishes, different kinds of bread, omelets. Wonderful omelets.
So, which place do you like the most in Kashmir?
Well, I only really know Muzaffarabad. And so Muzaffarabad is a very civilized city. And my hosts kind of live in the center and seem to know everyone. We haven't done any shopping yet. We are doing shopping tomorrow.
Yeah, you are wearing Kashmiri and Pakistani dress. You're looking great in this.
Well, thank you very much indeed. I love to dress up. Okay, Pakistan, Zindabad, Kashmir, Pahindabad.